Hello there, little gardeners. Gardener Gary here, ready to share my favorite gardening secret with you. Composting. It's like magic. But instead of spells, we use kitchen scraps and garden clippings. Imagine turning your banana peels and fallen leaves into something amazing, something that makes your plants grow big and strong. That's the power of compost. Are you ready to learn all about it? Let's get composting. Compost is like a yummy smoothie for your garden, but instead of fruits and veggies, it's made from things like leftover fruits and veggies. Imagine all those kitchen scraps you usually throw away, like apple cores, banana peels and carrot tops. Instead of tossing them in the trash, you can turn them into something incredibly valuable for your garden. It's full of good stuff that helps plants grow big and strong. Compost enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. It improves soil structure, helps retain moisture, and even suppresses plant diseases and pests. When you put things like eggshells and grass clippings in a compost bin, you're adding a mix of green and brown materials. Green materials are rich in nitrogen, while brown materials are rich in carbon. This balance is crucial for the composting process. Tiny helpers like worms and microorganisms break them down into something super special. These decomposers work tirelessly to transform your waste into dark, crumbly compost. This special stuff is called compost, and it's like magic fertilizer for your garden. By adding compost to your garden, you're giving your plants a natural boost, helping them grow healthier and more robust. So next time you have kitchen scraps, remember they can be turned into garden gold. Did you know that composting is a team effort? It's not just about throwing your kitchen scraps into a bin and waiting. There's a whole community of tiny helpers making it happen. We get help from tiny creatures called decomposers. These little organisms are nature's recyclers, breaking down organic material and turning it into something incredibly useful. They are like little superheroes who eat our kitchen scraps and turn them into valuable compost. Imagine them as a team of tiny workers, each with a special job to do. Worms are some of our best helpers. These wriggly creatures are experts at breaking down food waste. They tunnel through the compost, making it airy and rich. They munch on food scraps and turn them into nutrient-rich compost. We also have roly-polies, which are small but mighty decomposers. They help break down tougher materials that worms might leave behind. And let's not forget the microscopic bacteria working hard in our compost bins. These tiny organisms are essential for breaking down the smallest particles, ensuring nothing goes to waste. These little critters are our composting buddies. Together, they create a rich, dark compost that helps our gardens grow. So next time you compost, remember you're not alone. You're part of a team. Section 4. Building your compost palace. Now let's build a cozy home for our composting buddies. A compost bin. You can make one out of wood or use a big plastic tub. Just remember, our composting friends need air to breathe, so make sure your bin has some holes for ventilation. Once your bin is ready, we can start adding our kitchen scraps and garden waste to it. Section 5. Good food, bad food for your compost. Our composting buddies are hungry, but they're also picky eaters. They love to munch on fruit and vegetable scraps, eggshells, grass clippings and dry leaves, but they don't like meat, bones or dairy products. These things can attract pests and make your compost smelly. Remember to feed your compost the right food, and it will reward you with amazing plant food. Section 6. Compost is cool for our planet. Composting isn't just good for our gardens, it's good for our planet too. When we compost, we turn organic waste like food scraps and yard clippings into nutrient-rich soil. This soil can then be used to grow healthy plants, flowers and vegetables. It's a natural way to recycle and give back to the earth. When we compost, we reduce the amount of garbage going to landfills. Landfills are overflowing with waste, and much of it is organic material that could be composted instead. By diverting this waste, we can significantly cut down on the volume of trash that ends up in these massive dumps. Landfills are like giant trash cans and they take up a lot of space. They're not only unsightly, but also pose environmental hazards. The more we can keep out of landfills, the better it is for our communities and the planet. Plus, rotting food in landfills releases harmful greenhouse gases into the air. These gases, like methane, contribute to climate change and global warming. By composting, we can reduce these emissions and help combat climate change. By composting, we can be superheroes for the environment. It's a simple action that has a big impact. Families, schools and communities can all get involved and make a difference. We can reduce waste, help our plants grow and make our planet a healthier and happier place. Composting enriches the soil, retains moisture and suppresses plant diseases and pests. It's a win-win for both our gardens and the environment. So let's get composting and make a difference together. Whether you have a small backyard or just a balcony, you can start composting today. Every little bit helps, and together we can create a greener, more sustainable world for future generations.